is up, Divas and Divos? This is Nikki, your deal funding diva. Welcome back to my channel where I show you how to either make money or save money. And so many people have been hitting me up, letting me know that they need money. Yes, the holidays are coming and the pressure is on, honey. So you know what I had to do? I had to help out my Divas and Divos and let you all know some ways that you can make some extra money. So today, that's what we're going to talk about. So before we get into the video, I do have to show some love. So we're going to jump into this incredible video in just a moment. But first, I have to shout out the comment of the week. Thank you so much for your positivity and for supporting your girl. And I know a lot of you are in the comments like, how can I be featured? Well, it's really, really easy. All you have to do is comment on this video or another video that I post this week, or head on over to my Instagram and comment on a post over there, or tag me on your IG story. And don't forget to tag me at Deal Finding Diva and follow me too. All right, so we're gonna jump into this video, but please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not yet a diva or divo. And don't forget to turn on those notifications. So let's get into the money talk, okay? So let's get this list of side hustles started with Superprof. So Superprof is a way of becoming a virtual tutor with the topic of your choice. There are so many topics for which you can become a tutor, and they include things such as arts, language, sports, so many topics. And so far they have thousands of people that have signed up. So there's a high chance that you can actually get people to take your class. You can make your own schedule and you can name your price, okay? So if you're interested in signing up with Superprof, it's super easy. I made it so easy for you because a few of the things that I suggest today are easily going to be found on AppJobs, and I'm going to link it down below. So yes, Superprof is one of those side hustles that you can sign up with using AppJobs. Again, link is below. So the second side hustle that I also want to talk about with you Divas and Divos is called Papa. So Papa is actually a way where you can become a virtual caretaker or companion for an elderly person. So why not make money and feel good? Plus, I'm sure you'll get some really good stories out of it, because I'm gonna tell you, I don't know if you're one of those people that are like me where I love to talk to older people because they have so much knowledge to share. They can like tell the future sometimes. But yes, with Papa, they'll ask that you ask particular questions, that you would basically care about them the way that a family member would, that you would be patient. So you can make typically between $11 and $15 an hour, and they ask that you're available between 10 to 15 hours a week to do the job. And the criteria to sign up is quite easy. They just ask that you have an upbeat personality, that you're like a positive person. They want positivity spread to the elderly, okay? They also ask, if possible, that you have experience such as in elderly care or companionship or customer service, but that is not even a necessity. So you don't need to have prior experience. It's more important that you have that positive, upbeat personality. So if that sounds like you, head on over, sign up for Papa. You can find it easily on appjobs.com. I'm linking it down below. So moving on to the third side hustle that I want to talk about is what a lot of people are interested in, and it is secret shopping. But this particular company is a company that I am just learning about, and it is called Easyshift. So Easyshift is secret shopping using an app, and the gigs available on Easyshift sound like they're a lot easier than a lot of the secret shopping jobs that I've done in the past. And if you're new to my channel, yes, I have quite a bit of experience with secret shopping, and I actually love to do it. So you get paid to be a regular customer, go in a store and just do regular customer type of things, and you actually get paid for it. But with Easyshift, they just ask that you do basic things such as checking the prices or making sure that certain displays are available. And you can get paid about $6 per gig. But think about it, if you can get a bunch of them in a particular area, such as a mall or an area where you planned on going anyway, then this is an ace in the hole, okay? So you can just easily go in, open up their app, and do what you need to do to get some money. And what I really like about them, which is like almost unheard of in the secret shopping industry, you can get your money within 48 hours. So if you need some quick money, I highly suggest that you sign up for Easyshift. I am going to link them down below. They are also another one that you can find on AppJobs. So yes, hit up AppJobs, link is down below. And let me know what you think about Easyshift if you decide to sign up. I am so curious to know what you think about it. So the fourth side hustle that I want to talk to you all about is by visiting some of my favorite websites. And yes, what do I talk about on this channel a lot? Free gift cards. And a couple of the free gift card websites that I have mentioned on this channel will also pay in Visa or MasterCard gift cards. So great examples of this include MyPoints and Swagbucks. With both of these websites, you can do surveys, you can watch videos, you can do your regular online shopping, you can surf the internet. There's so many different ways that you can earn points that can convert into free gift cards. And with both Swagbucks and MyPoints, I have earned a couple $100s worth of gift cards with both of them. So they are very legit and they are like a one-stop shop. That's what I like about these two. So make sure you hit up my links down below, and there are bonuses when you sign up as well. So make sure you sign up for each one of those and get your money. You have that money for the holidays, okay? And the fifth side hustle that I want to talk to you divas and divos about today is to sign up with Taskrabbit. Now, I've mentioned Taskrabbit in the past, and if you're not familiar with Taskrabbit, real fast, I'll let you know. This is a way where you can sign up to do jobs for people in your area and get paid for it. And the reason why I'm bringing up Taskrabbit again today is because there are a couple of side hustles in there that I recently saw that I didn't even notice before, or it never even crossed my mind. And they include building IKEA furniture or becoming a painter, okay? So with each one of those, you can name your own price, you can set your own hours, as for all Taskrabbit tasks. This whole IKEA furniture building thing jumped out to me right away because there are so many times where I have bought IKEA furniture and I'm looking at these directions and I'm like, what the heck? So if you're one of those people that have that talent for being able to build that IKEA furniture, or if you like to paint, those are some really good side hustles. And just like regular Taskrabbit jobs, you can create your own hours, you can set your own rates, and it's really flexible. So don't forget about Taskrabbit when you're looking for ways to make some money. I'm linking Taskrabbit down below, and you can easily find them on appjobs.com as well. And I appreciate you divas and divos for using my links because it does help me out, and it also helps me continue to bring great content to you all. But in the meantime, if you have any questions or comments on anything that I mentioned here in this video today, or if you have any topics that you want me to discuss in the future, please drop me a comment down below. You know I do read my comments and I do respond. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, and don't forget to also subscribe to Deal Finding Diva if you are not yet a diva or divo, and turn on those notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. And I will see you in the next video.